first thing you want to log into Cadence, go to your announcements, and go to your daily agenda. And you'll notice there's a document here. You have to be logged in with your email. You can scroll down. And down here, you're going to notice it says download portrait mockup Canva template. So if yours is portrait, for example, this cat is portrait, it's vertical format, this is the template you would get. If you need landscape, this one's landscape. You would get that template. So I'm going to go ahead and open landscape. This is the template. So where you see these images with the cloud and the grass, that's actually a placeholder. It's called a frame. So what happens is once your illustration's all done, here is my greeting card. You can just drag it in and you can see it's going to upload it. I'm going to Command C to copy this file. And then this one I'm just going to drag into here. So flat print file, this is my flat print file. Command V to paste. I'm going to drag it into here. This is the back cover design. So notice it dropped it in the center. So I'm going to double click in here and then drag my design up. You may have to scale it depending on how your design is set up. You can drag it, center it. There we go. That's my back. Command V to paste. Now I need to put in my front, but notice my front image is upside down. So I actually have to rotate it 90 degrees or 180 degrees. And now I'm going to Command C to copy it. That way I have a copy of it. I don't have to rotate every time. Again, it drops it by default in the center. Double click inside of here and just drag it up. Make it a little bit larger if you need to, because this final flat design does have crop marks on it and bleed, which the printer will cut off. So it's designed to be bigger. So I'm going to align it. There we go. Command V to paste, drop it in here. Make it larger again to crop out the bleed marks. Here we go. And then this last one's a little tricky. It's a group because the way it's designed is this envelope layer is on top. So if I try to drag it over, it's not going to work. So what I have to do is first select ungroup, move my envelope layer to the back, drag my image in, resize it, there we go, and then position that layer to the back. And then that's it. And it says here, type in your name. So I'm going to come in here and type in my name. And then you're done. To save it, just go share, download. You want to do a JPEG, highest quality possible. And then here you can go, just click download. And you can see here it's downloading. Notice my template has two other pages. This one right here is a sample to show you this is what it looks like when you drop the images in. And this is a backup in case you kind of mess up something here. It happens. We're all still learning. This is a backup in case you need to copy things over. But notice those pages are both hidden, so they are not going to download. Now let's go to our downloads folder. So I'm back in Finder, Command N for new folder, downloads, and here it is. Here is my file. It looks beautiful. So notice it has a generic title, so we actually have to rename this. Let's come here, delete copy of. So whatever your period is, P is for period, and then if I'm period 1, I put 1. If I'm period 2, I put 2, and so forth. Underscore, first name, last name. Underscore, greeting card, mockups. And I'm going to delete template because it's no longer a template. My design is on it. A template is when you have like something specific, like a cookie cutter thing that everyone can edit. So greeting card mockups, and then I'm going to put the name of my design, Al King. And it's not mockups anymore. It's a mockup. Singular. Okay, so there we go. So now it's named perfectly. You want to make sure you rename it before you drop it into the Google Drive when you turn it in, because otherwise it's going to override everyone else's. And when you go to turn it in, someone else's project is going to be showing up instead of yours.